So we are here at the Old Dry Road farm, and this is part of the property here. As I mentioned, we are here for the Blacksmith Day. This is right outside of Wernersville, I believe, and this is the Hottenstein property as well. So you can see the many different buildings, many different outbuildings as well. That's the bakehouse. And apparently there's a spring house. There's a spring underneath this building, or in this building. But it looks like it's being used for storage of some sort. Yeah. Or as a museum as well.
Wait, really?
Dundor Hottenstein Farmstead.
Whoa.
They have information there. Yeah, the privy. I'm not sure who currently owns it, but it said something that it's part of the Blue Marsh area, I believe, here we're at. Yeah. So there's the privy, or an outhouse if you want to refer to it, but they are also called privy. And as always, I'll get more information on the description. I was here mostly to do the Blacksmith Day, but didn't realize that this historic property is here as well on the Old Dry Road farm. And right here is the Hottenstein Smokehouse. And it looks like there's another building, but that looks more modern. But there's the main house. And I'm not here by myself today. My daughters asked to come along with me today, so you may or may not see them in the videos, but you may hear them if they want to be in the videos or not. But it's actually closed. I don't know when they open this home, or if they do, but if they do, we have to come back for a visit. So that might also be part of the Hottenstein farm building itself. There are a few more buildings up on the main road here where we turned off to come to the event here. And unfortunately, there's not a lot of people set up yet, so we'll probably have to be here a little while to start seeing some demonstrations. And I believe they also have some of the blacksmithing equipment for sale as well. See what you're doing. Sharpening something, I guess? Oh, blacksmithing classes, okay. White stone. Oh, he's getting ready to sharpen some knives, I guess.
Good morning.
Morning.
Just checking the flatness of my stone before I get started.
Okay.
What I do is I put a few pencil lines going across, and then from there I go over it with my flattening stone, and then as the pencil lines, I almost said chalk, as the pencil lines disappear, I know that it's starting to flatten.
So it's taking off the high mark.
Yep. Yeah, because you get low spots when you're sharpening, depending on the user. Some people, it just depends on how they're sharpening. And of course, I have some low spots on here. So as you can see, here are the low spots right through there.
Okay.
And that could be because as I'm doing my sharpening, and I might drag a little bit in the center there when I'm doing the tip, and you can just dish it in a little bit. So you just do this and flatten it out. Takes a while,
Sure.
but it's well worth doing it with water stones for the sharpening part.
It's not cheap. The intro class is not bad. It's a beginner class, but it's 4 projects. You got a wall hook, a leaf, a bottle opener, and he does offer smithing classes as well. Right there, if you're interested, check it. Scan the QR code there. Furnace Creek Forge.
Did it work okay through the plastic?
Yeah,
Great.
there was no glare.
Good. Do you have any other questions?
No,
Okay.
thank you.
Is this your first time here?
Yes.
Are you going to try some forging a little bit later? They're going to be firing up some forges over there, and they want the public to come in and get their hands dirty.
Yes.
Hammer it.
Yep. I'm gonna maybe give it a shot.
This is the time to do it.
Yep. Alrighty, thank you.
Yeah. Thanks for coming out.
Yep. Because they also have some antiques as well. But a lot of this is all blacksmithing related, so. Oh, over there, they already got something going, looks like. Oh, he's got a coal forge, it looks like.
Oh, wow.
Yep. He's got a coal forge, he's getting his hot heat going slowly.
I'll have this one going over. We have over here the stone, and then there's going to be a number in the barn over there too. They're starting up right now.
I guess he's putting coke in there now. Yeah, it's a coke. making it again, you'll see probably the smoke turn a little green because of the coke. That's the actual coal. He's got a bucket here, and once he has to put the hot metal into it to quench it. And he's got all his tools there as well. Yeah, see. So that's coke. See how the smoke turns a little bit greenish as he adds more air to the coal forge there. That's the coke, it's burning up the coke. Here. Gonna put it back in the fire, heat it up again. Members of the Pennsylvania Blacksmith Association as well. That's neat. They have benches set up here for demonstrations.
Projects I was going to do. Unfortunately, the last 4 weeks I have got very little cover. Anyway, because it's working. I thought so. I thought it was looking like a nail. Square head nail. Kind of figured. From what I've heard, most apprentices would start just doing mostly nails and stuff, and then the journeyman would teach the apprentice how to make nails, thousands of nails from what I understand, till they get good enough to then become the journeyman.
making basically a square head nail. Square head nail. A nail. It's a nail. It's a nail. Back in colonial times, they would have needed thousands of these done to build a house or whatever they needed. Mhm.
Now, when I'm making a nail, oh, you already have a broke off. I get that. So I use my rod to reheat that and then put it in. Hey,
I messed up.
I'm gonna let you fish it out of the fire. I've done it with one heat. You gotta work fast to do it. I usually make a nail in 2 heats. So the second heat is just for the head. I don't even use my power hammer because it's too fast. If I put the right dial on it, then I can use it. I'm too late to change the dial.
There's no that I did it wrong. Thanks,
There you go. Now you'll get a nail. Thanks. What do you have a hole?
It's more like a ledger.
And there's the final product. I didn't know this was. That's why I kept turning off, because it's connected. My Bluetooth is working actually. So after the first gentleman tried, now he said master is going to do it. This gentleman has 60 years of experience, blacksmithing experience. Heating up the rod right now. Oh, it's I didn't even see it.
Yeah, it's stuff.
Done. We edited it already really quick. And there's the finished product.
Everybody's hands like you.
This is another gentleman. Yeah, he didn't start the whole process, but he's showing me. Look at him making a flower. Interesting. This is actually accelerating torch. Camera. It's flickering.
So what exactly that is?
It's a flower. I'm gonna
Flower, I
make a couple
thought
different
so.
flowers together. Yes.
Okay, I
This
thought
is
it's
the
a
first
flower.
one.
Thought it was a flower. So now we get to see the process of the flower being made.
This is starting as a piece of pipe.
I thought so. Did you cut it or something ahead of
cut it,
time? I
yeah.
thought so.
I cut it on a bandsaw before I came here.
Right. That way you can make the leaves.
Yep.
Generally, what type of steel do you use?
Typically mild steel.
Mild steel.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, he's out of Denver. Okay.
There's a pot over there. That flower that you're taking in the brick. You're aware.
I should wrap my tripod. It'd be a lot easier to film with my tripod because I can keep it still. Yeah, that's the only problem. It has a bag that you can crack.
Do you want more help?
I would normally weld it on, but I didn't really want to start my welder here if I can avoid it. If I can drill into it, I can.
I gotta get me the paperwork. Yeah.
Want to make little things that are riveted together. Yes.
Oh, okay. I see what he's doing. He's making the head now. He's making. Making a rivet. Mm-hmm. front of me. Yeah. Making something else for you. Maybe making a beef. Mushroom again. Looking around, see what else is going on as well. He's selling equipment. Wow. He's got an actual anvil for sale for $1,300. And there's all the tongs and hammers.
Great stuff. Made a world of difference.
We're gonna go in the barn and see what's going on here in the barn. Actually, I'm gonna go get my tripod.
Gotta get yourself comfortable so that you can do it. It's okay. Well, you're doing okay. No, your first squat, you've ever used a hammer before? No. Then you're doing great. I'll get the edges. You're welcome. Now, what I'm going to have you do again is let me show you. We're going to take this and push this down. Push the edges down. Right, that's right. There you go. That's it. That's exactly what you want to do. That's great. Now,
Making sure it's nice and flat.
yeah, that's what you want to get.
Ooh, nice.
Now, I'm going to take this and
You're actually surprising me easy.
easier than what you think it is.
Oh,
I'll tell you, those are a lot more difficult than this is.
yeah, this is copper. It's very malleable.
Exactly, that's exactly what we're doing.
Oh, wow.
Very similar to that. Now, would you like to have this curled at the edges, or would you like to have it like that? You can make this turn it into anything you want. It could be a face, it could be a sky, it could be a planet, it could just be a form.
I don't know what you pictures.
That's okay, because you can work on it later on. If you like to have it curled, I can curl it up for you, so you can do that. Sure. I'll take my little nose pliers.
I do.
If you're interested in this, I can work with your guy there.
Yeah, we were just seeing what it was even. We weren't sure what was happening.
Well, we're doing retrograde here. This is called retrograde. Looks like you hold like scissors.
Yeah, what? Oh, wow. Oh, he's up there, yeah.
I make jewelry. I have like, but I don't do any metal work because every time I try wire working, my hands cramp up so bad.
I just started to work with wire wrapping. And wire weaving is like that.
And then trying to find the right type of wire that will bend rightly without cracking. Oh my!
I use copper wire. and that doesn't crack. That works beautiful.
Yeah.
And this is what I'm wanting to do. Take that and I'll wire strip it.
I need a
Yes, if you can have old electrical cords that you don't want anymore, take them, cut them apart, you have to take off the insulation. Yeah.
Oh, I have a lot of wires laying around too.
Look, you can get real fine wires, you can get wire like that. Works beautiful.
Oh, and I need that right now.
Now, what would you like to do with this? You polish it with okay. Now, let me suggest that you leave it as it is, but you want to do is get clear nail polish. Put clear nail polish over it because it's going to change. When it goes to the air, it changes colors.
I have epoxy. Can epoxy go on it? Or does it epoxy? Like UV resin?
Well, if you use it on wire, yes. I'm not going to use epoxy except glue.
It's like
Try it.
okay.
Try it. Just try it. Obviously, something you want to coat it so that the air doesn't get hot. And what you can do with that is
I don't know.
oh, it does fine. Yeah, very good. There's turtle shell that you can use that makes it and you have to design a turtle shell and then put nail polish over it. And then what you can do is that you can make it into pins, like a bar pin on the back.
I have all the stuff for that. I got it.
You can drill a hole in it, make it into a pendant. So you can have to use it. And I like to take a little bit of sandpaper and sand down
this is some of her work that she's done.
Especially how they're all bending. Especially how like
I got to see a little bit of forging copper. See what else they have.
I know that one's my favorite one.
Got equipment here as well. Yeah. That's a Volkswagen thing.
It's a Volkswagen?
Mm-hmm.
I wonder what year.
I don't know.
Can you tell what year it is?
Nope. You got a Volkswagen thing.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the car next to it.
No, the green one.
I thought you were talking about
The green one is the thing. That's an Impala.
Nice.
Has to
That's newer.
be 60,
That's what I was trying to ask you about.
68 maybe, 66.
I was trying to ask you about the Impala, what year it was. I'm surprised you didn't notice the Impala next to it.
Yeah, I saw the Impala earlier when I went to go get this thing.
Oh, cool. I don't know how fortunate they do. This is what he does.
Oh, cool.
Cool. The pattern.
Oh, he does Damascus.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's when they fold it over and fold it over and fold it over, weld it, fold it, weld it. Fold. Look at the designs, yeah.
Designs he does.
Yeah.
Look how.
This is 1084 steel.
Wow, that is really cool designs.
Yep. That's what you get in the final
wow,
design.
Look at that one.
Yeah,
That one's cool.
it's cool there too.
I like the outside and the inside. I like this one.
Oh wow.
That one's cool too.
Yeah, the different designs.
That one's massive.
That is cool.
Huh?
The design on it is really cool.
Now that's labor intensive. You gotta fold and fold and fold and fold. Yeah.
I would buy one.
Yeah, I don't know what he's charging.
That's not the Come look at this one. This one looks like stained glass.
Oh yeah, sort of.
Yeah. So he's off our stabilized maple. Oh, for the handles,
Oh,
the knives.
oh, wow. Nice.
He does knives.
Nice. Oh, wow.
Offers classes as well.
And that's how much it shows how much
Right
it
there you
is
can see
for
the.
the.
That's not bad. $190 for 4 classes.
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah, but it's in Hamburg, yeah.
Yep.
It's not that far, right?
Well, from here it isn't, but from home it's
A lot further.
an hour.
Oh, wow.
It's
Huh?
home.
Well, you gotta wait. I don't have no cash on me.
Well, should have bought money. You know there was